You don't need to do affiliate marketing, no website required, you don't need a social media following, you also don't need skills or any previous experience to do this method. Today I'll be teaching a method where you will feel at absolute ease as you can start making money online thanks to a website I recently found. But before we start, welcome to Quiet 9 to 5, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making money. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. So let's get started. The website which I will be talking to you about is something that you already might have heard, and if you have not heard about this yet, this website is cjinc.info. This is a money making website. Creative jobs, work online, earn online, because we know you have enough skills if you have a few hours a day which you can spend in front of your PC and execute a small time bound and high payful task, then you are at the right place. They recruit and hire flexible people who thrive on change and challenge, who are innovative and self-confident, and who seek immediate responsibility. They will pay you for your time if you are free to join. Yes, they also are free, and something that I know a lot of you love about this is that this method is available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can do this. Now if you scroll down a bit, you will see these three people. This lady right here is from the Philippines, this other woman is from the United States, and this guy right here is from Australia. They all come from different parts of the world, which explains and which proves that this is available worldwide. There are some of the benefits of working online with this website. Work from anywhere, any place, anytime. If you want to become location independent and work from anywhere in the world, or perhaps you just want the flexibility to work for yourself, then this is the portal for you. Earn money as much as you want without investment. The cjinc.info is one of the few places where you can start with $0 and work your way up to a full-time income. Now with this info out of the way, let me explain how this works. This website is different because you are going to make money not by completing surveys or by watching videos or clicking on ads. In this website you can find jobs that are sought after online. They do pay a decent amount of money. So right here we have market research, typing jobs, proofreading, translation, advertising, online, teaching. We will be focusing on one job in particular, and that is proofreading. For those of you who are obvious, proofreading is essentially correcting various errors in a text, so it does require more knowledge of English. However, I'll show you a tool that will correct all the errors and all the mistakes in any article for absolutely free, and I'll write an article with multiple errors on purpose to show you that it does work. So make sure you stay with me and finish the video, so by the end of the video you won't miss out on important details. With that said, if you have the skills that cover other categories such as marketing research, typing jobs, translation, advertising and online teaching, then you can focus on them too. For example, for the typing job, all you have to do is have a fast typing speed and nothing else. If you happen to know two languages or even more, then working as a translator is even better. This can even pay off big time. The point is, in this tutorial I'll be focusing on proofreading, but you can of course choose whatever you want. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Anyway, so to start working as a proofreader on this website, all you have to do is sign up. To do that, hover your mouse over career on the top right hand corner of your screen. You will then obviously want to select proofreading job, since that is what you are after. On the next page they will give you more info on what proofreading is about. This term comes from the proof the final trial print used to make corrections before the final printing. So the proofreader combs through the work looking for any glitches in proofreading, which includes spaces, punctuation, spelling, alignment, type, font and style, and other details they will also cover here. The nature of the job, and more importantly for us, the rates. As you can see here, as a proofreader you can earn $5 to $10 per page or per 1000 words. Rates depend on the work nature and accuracy levels, and more importantly, since I will be sharing a tool that will help you correct the errors of an article, you can easily able to make a lot of money as a proofreader, even if your knowledge in English is not the broad. So to apply for work as a proofreader, all you have to do is scroll down a bit and you must click on this button which says apply for jobs, and then you will land on this page where you can see to apply you have to download the application form by clicking on this link right here, and if you click on that you will then be redirected to this page where you have to fill in some basic demographic information about yourself. You will need to select a job which is applying for, and that is proofreading of course, and the rest is just fill it out here. Below you can see that they accept PayPal as a payment method, which is great, and all you have to do is tick this box where you agree to the terms. Also don't forget to put in your whole name here as your signature, and that's about it. Click on submit when you have done filling out this form. Now if you want to go back to the previous page, you will see that they will send you a script with multiple errors. Proofreading projects will provide to you in digitally pre-typed or as image form or in physical handwriting form to understand that how to do the work. Our clients or partners provide sample work for you. This is where the tool I told you before comes in. The tool is Grammarly. You can go over to their site on Grammarly.com. This is something I have been using myself for a while now, and I can guarantee you this 100% legit. This is also one of the best tools out there which can help us correct errors in text. What we will need to do is add Grammarly as an extension to Chrome. So you will be using Google Chrome as your browser. So click on this and that will take you to this page right here where you can add Grammarly as an extension. Once done, you can go now sign up there either via Gmail or your Facebook account or your Apple ID. If you don't want to do that, you here and fill out the needed information to complete the process. After filling up, you can just click on agree and sign up form. They will ask you a few questions like what do you need Grammarly for, and after answering all those basic questions, you will then land on this page right here where you can see that Grammarly does have a premier package, but it is not necessary because the free one offers you exactly what you need. It helps you with spelling, grammar and punctuation. This is what we need to do in proofreading jobs, as you can see here. So you don't have to pay Grammarly, you can save that money for something else. So now I'll try to show you how Grammarly works. Let me just copy an article, add in some errors, and let's try to see how Grammarly corrects them. What I did is I copied an medicalnewstoday.com about losing weight. I pasted on Google Docs and then I edited a bit of the text so that it will have errors, and so that it will have errors. Check this out. Not only did it detect every mistake, which includes small errors like punctuation marks, but it shows you here the overall score of your text, the correctness, clarity, engagement and delivery. So Grammarly goes above and beyond just to collect your grammatical errors, and you can do all of this for completely free. However, by far the best thing about this is that you don't have to manually correct every error, because you can only click the errors over here and you can click on that will automatically change the text errors in your article, and it's really easy. All you have to do is just copy the article. cjinc.info will give you, paste it on Google Docs use Grammarly to correct all the errors of the text and send it back to them. You will then easily be accepted as a proofreader on their website. So if you do this method and if you follow all the steps I just told you, you will be able to make hundreds to thousands of dollars just by doing this. And again, you don't need any experience at all, and you do not need to have a broad knowledge on English because Grammarly will do the work for you. And that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.